Hello everyone, and welcome back to Master Learner AI YouTube channel. Today, we're going to explore the exciting world of website creation using artificial intelligence. Creating a website can be a daunting task, but with the help of AI, it's easier than ever. In this video, we'll walk you through the steps of using AI to create a stunning website in just a few minutes. First, let's start by choosing an AI website creation tool. There are several options available, but for this demonstration, we'll be using Insert Name of AI tool. This tool uses advanced algorithms to analyze your content and design preferences, and then generates a fully functional website based on your input. Once you've selected your AI tool, the next step is to input your content. This includes text, images, and any other media you want to include on your website. The AI will then analyze this content and begin generating a website layout that best suits your needs. As the AI works its magic, you'll have the opportunity to preview and customize the website design. You can make adjustments to the layout, color scheme, and overall aesthetic to ensure that the website reflects your unique style and brand. One of the major benefits of using AI for website creation is the speed and efficiency it offers. Instead of spending hours or even days designing a website from scratch, AI can generate a professional-looking site in a matter of minutes. This frees up your time to focus on other aspects of your business or project. And there you have it. With the help of AI, creating a website has never been easier. Whether you're a small business owner, a creative professional, or anyone in between, AI website creation tools can streamline the process and deliver impressive results. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe to Master Learner AI for more insights into the world of artificial intelligence. See you next time.